Here are 6 random home hacks you'll wish you'd seen sooner. Before you toss those little plastic bread ties, save a few of them. They are perfect for labeling cords on a power strip. Which computer monitor is which, docking stations, lamps, chargers. Just write directly on the bread tie with a permanent marker to label your item and loop it around the cord. Get a pack of Velcro command strips and put one side of Velcro on your cord and the other side on the appliance itself. Wrap the cord around, press it in place, and it will stay put. No more tangled cords getting in your way all the time. If your Band-Aids are just floating around in a box, this is a game changer, especially with kids. Use a small divided container to sort your Band-Aids out by sides first. And then, instead of adding a traditional label, just stick one sample Band-Aid on the lid to mark which section holds which size. Simple, visual, and really easy for kids to use too. Stick an upside-down command hook to the side of a small trash can. Place a plastic garbage bag inside and hook the handle of the bag under the hook. This keeps the bag from slipping down and makes changing it out quick and easy. Clip a piece of paper to a clipboard and line up binder clips all along the edge. Also clip one of them along the bottom of your clipboard. Now write out your monthly cleaning tasks with one task next to each clip along the side of the paper. And now as you complete tasks throughout the month, flip the metal tabs down to check them off your list. You know when the end of your tape disappears and you spend way too long trying to find it and peel it up? Slide a paper clip under the end of your tape before you put it back away. This would work for duct tape, painter's tape, packing tape, basically any tape you have. Next time you grab it, the end is right there waiting for you and easy to pull up without having to hunt for it again. Tiny hack, but huge frustration saver. You've seen pool noodles at the dollar store, but did you know that they're way more than just a fun summer toy? First, cut a piece of pool noodle about twice the width of your hand and then cut it in half lengthwise. Slip all of your grocery bag handles into that slit and you have a handy carrier. This is so helpful for carrying a bunch of groceries bags into the house all at once. For our second hack, cut a piece of pool noodle to the same size as your remote and then slice it open lengthwise. Trim off the edges a bit so it fits snugly around your TV remote, and now no more losing it down in between the couch cushions all the time. This is such an easy fix to prevent that remote from constantly getting lost. Cut a pool noodle to match the length of your flashlight, slice it open lengthwise, and then slide the flashlight handle inside and mount the noodle onto the edge of a shelf. This creates a hand-free light holder, so if you've ever needed a spare hand to hold that flashlight while you're working on a project or home repair in a dim space, this is genius. Take a small piece of pool noodle, slice it open lengthwise, and pop it onto the edge of your door. This little trick will keep your door from fully closing, so you can prevent it from loudly slamming shut and waking up the baby, or swinging shut and locking behind you. Cut a pool noodle into small sections, slice them all open lengthwise, and pop them onto the edges of your picture frames. This creates a soft bumper to protect the glass when moving or storing picture frames so you don't risk breaking the glass. Think your kitchen cabinets are out of room? Think again. First up, let's tackle these seasoning packets. Stick a few of these adhesive command clips inside your cabinet door and you have a great spot to hang those tiny packets so they don't get lost in the back of a shelf or drawer, all without taking up drawer or shelf space. Now here's a game changer. Attach a small trash can to the inside of your cabinet door using command hooks. This is the perfect hack for adding a convenient trash can to use while cooking. You can use it for small wrappers or even food scraps or compost. It keeps the mess hidden away and your countertops clutter-free while you're preparing dinner, and you can empty it out when you're done. Give those oven mitts a proper home by sticking a command hook to the inside of your cabinet door. No more digging through drawers or hanging them on awkward knobs. This keeps them clean and out of the way while still being very easy to grab when you do need them. Next, organize your measuring cups by adding small command hooks to the inside of a cabinet door. Space them out so you can hang each cup from one and hang them by their handles. This keeps your measuring tools within easy reach and frees up that precious drawer space. With just a few command hooks, we've transformed unused cabinet door space into very functional storage.
While you may think dryer sheets only have one use, to help reduce static in your dryer, you'd actually be wrong. They have so many uses in the home and in your outdoor living spaces. Aside from laundry, the most obvious dryer sheet hack is to use them for deodorizing areas of your home. To help keep your trash and recycling area smelling fresh, if you notice your hamper has an odor, slip a dryer sheet anywhere inside to freshen it up a bit. Another funky smelling area of your home may be the shoe rack. Simply tear a dryer sheet in half and place one half into each shoe to help with any odors. Whether it's pets, kids, or just everyday wear and tear, upholstered furniture can smell a bit funky from time to time. Simply rub an unused dryer sheet all over to get them smelling fresh again. Dryer sheets can be really effective for cleaning around the house as well, due to their anti-static residue and rough texture. Dryer sheets are great for cleaning the dust and pet hair off your baseboards. To brighten and remove soap scum from stainless steel fixtures and sinks, dampen a dryer sheet, squeeze the excess water from it, then scrub the fixtures and sink. This will leave them sparkling clean. To remove product buildup and scorch marks on flat irons, curling irons, or clothing irons, wet a dryer sheet, wring out the excess water, and scrub a cold iron. This will help remove any residue and scorch marks. Although dryer sheets are typically used indoors, they have many uses outdoors too. Fill a small bucket halfway with hot water, then add a couple drops of dish soap and 1 to 2 dryer sheets. Allow the solution to sit for a few minutes, then take them outside. Use the dryer sheets to clean outdoor fabric, leaving them clean and fresh smelling. If you've got pests that enjoy digging in your garden or flower pots, leave a few dryer sheets around the area to help deter them. If you'll be working in the garden or spending time outside, place a dryer sheet in your pocket to help repel mosquitoes. For a final and random way to use dryer sheets, you can actually use them to sharpen dull scissors. Simply use the scissors to cut up a few dryer sheets and your scissors will be a little sharper. And don't let those cut up dryer sheets go to waste. Put them in small mesh bags and use them like scent sachets around your home. I hope you found these dryer sheet hacks useful and start putting them to use in your own home.
Think Tide Pods are just for laundry? Think again. You've been sleeping on these mighty little cleaning bombs. First, bring the bling back. Dull jewelry dragging down your sparkle? Fill a bowl with warm water, drop in a Tide Pod, and let your favorite pieces take a quick spa soak. Give them a gentle scrub with a soft toothbrush, and boom, shine restored, no fancy cleaner required. Next, Sneaker Reviver. Scuffed up kicks? No problem. Dissolve a Tide Pod in warm water. Scrub away those dirty stains, and voila, your shoes will be looking street ready in no time. Is your dog's bed smelling a little too lived in? Time for a refresh. Toss it in the washing machine with a Tide Pod and let the magic happen. It'll come out clean, odor-free, and oh so snuggly. Next, create a DIY all-purpose power spray. Why use a million cleaners when one will do the trick? Create a mixture using warm water and a Tide Pod in a bowl. Then pour it into an all-purpose cleaning spray bottle. Boom! You've got a powerhouse cleaner for counters, sinks, and pretty much any mess. Try this in your shower for an extra special cleaner. Crusty leftovers stuck to the inside of your microwave? No worries. Pop a bowl of water with a crushed Tide Pod inside of it. Microwave it for a few minutes and let the steamy magic do its thing. Wipe down with a cleaning cloth or a piece of paper towel. Those stuck-on splatters will wipe right off. No elbow grease required.